Good morning, guys. నేను మీ నిరంజన్ కుమార్. Today we are in journey of day 3. So yesterday in live I got some loss, and after that I recovered, and end of the day I reached profit of 163 $165. If you see my analytics and all right, so 64 point something is in profit. So I have invested only $100. See, I have invested only $100. Till now, we're in the profit of $64 something. So total 164.54 is our profit in 2 days. Today we started our third day. We'll see. So I'm doing analysis, guys. So once we got that proper entry place and all, we'll go and take the position. So here I'm expecting that some upside move because of there is a lot of factors here. I saw that one. There is a couple of factors I saw here. Market is in upswing, okay, or if you go with the better, right, there is a parallel channel. If you apply the parallel channel, right, you got to know that what is going on in the market. So the first trade I have added upside trade, okay. The currently market is going in this pattern. We'll see whether it is going to win or not. Shit. So I thought this is completely weak side up. There is a good buying pressure here. After that, selling. Okay, selling weakness, again weakness. Completely sellers gone here. Okay, if sellers gone, right, automatically buyers enter into the market. But here what happened, again one error candle created. Seller see that this candle also within the candle closed, this candle also within the candle closed. It means sellers completely gone. So this is the trap candle. We'll see. My entry is not correct, but I'm expecting that some buyers will actively enter at this level. We'll see. Yeah, it is a MTG win. This pair is not following our levels, so simply we'll change the our pair. So there is a gap here. Okay, gap also there is act as a strong support and resistance. Okay, so we cannot avoid the gaps and all. Okay, this is a very strong area. And if you see here, there is a down when the market is closed. See, there is a market is closed here. Market is closed here, and there is a gap up open. So this is a gap down plus gap up. So both will consider as a strong area. This one. If you see, this candle is closed above this pair, this engulfing, right? So we cannot enter this trade here. We need to wait for some time. If this is closed below this level, right, we can sure shot, we can go downside. If you see what kind of pattern market is following, there is a downfall. After that, there is a flag. Flag in the sense here it is a reversal flag. Okay. If reversal flag is breakout, what happened? The market will continue downside. Okay. Market is following in this pattern. If it is breakout, right? See how the market will react now. So market will come down like this and flag pattern and it will go down. I'll show you how it will be. Right. So market fall down. Oh, sorry. Okay. Market fall down and zigzag, 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 and this breakout. Okay. Market will continue. This is the patterns, guys. These patterns we need to follow. Okay. Market will follow patterns also. See this? It's a very big sure shot win. So I'll share my this one PDF. Okay. See this? This is the binary Ricky binary thing. So there here also I have mentioned some lesson patterns. See this? How the pattern will follow. Okay. A lot of things. See that this is all are completely patterns. Okay, this is completely related to the patterns only. Just now I explained the pattern, right? That is this kind of pattern. Falling and consolidated, then it is falling. So this pattern based I have entered the trade. Okay, so every trade has a proper reason. See this. Hap- Falling, pattern down, falling is raising, pattern downwards rising, and it will go up. So this kind of thing. And here also if you see this, see exactly matching with this concept. If you see this one, So it is same. Okay, falling, falling, rising, and breakout. Okay, these patterns will follow very good in the markets. So if you are become a professional trader, right, you know you need to know everything, not only support and resistance, okay, buyer sellers. So these patterns also we need to follow. That's why I created this is a very good PDF am creating. Okay, so it is in last stage. I'm going to complete in 1 or 2 days and will show you everything. It will cover that morning star, evening star, okay, piercing line, dark cloud cover. Not only the dark cloud cover and all, right? So how to enter the trade after this? This see that all patterns, what kind of patterns we have in the market. So all patterns I have reversal patterns. Recently in my Telegram group, I mentioned that cup and hold pattern. This is the cup and hold pattern. This one also I traded. So most probably right. So I know all these concepts. That's why I'm trying to generate that all trades. So this one, it's engulfing. So if the candle is formed the engulfing, so how we can trade? You know which candle is our entry? Bullish engulfing trade. So where we need to enter? So, okay, for sure short trades like that everything I have written. So piercing like see morning star. If it is morning star, how we can place the morning star trade? Okay, every morning star cannot give the profit, but here there is a proper trading rules. If market is follow that rules, definitely we'll get the sure shot. So like this, so many things. High put a high breakout, swing high breakout. So how we can go and trade the trade? So if you where you need to enter the trade and we'll get the sure shot entry. M patterns. These are all are recently I learned one of the channel. Okay, W pattern, all this see that find the buyers and sellers position. So I'm telling right where the buyers are sitting, where the sellers are sitting, that concept. So I learned all these things and clearly maintained some notes. Okay, and this is completely candlestick reaction. The how see the hammer is forming, every hammer will not give the lot of people, right, there is a buying pushing and market will go down, but this is there is another scenario also. So if hammer also formed, so how the hammer is formed? So from starting slowly it is going up, sudden last 5 seconds market jump and closed above. So this kind of hammer will give the reversal. Okay, so every hammer will not give the upside trade. That completely we need to see that how the candle reaction is forming. This one also. Initially it was sudden fall. After that it was not able to go further upside and consolidated the same level. Again market will go down. And this is another scenario. So market will fall. It was sustained at the bottom and suddenly it will go and closed above. So that is also false scenario. Market will go down. If market will sudden fall and rising and sustaining at that level, then only market will go upside trade. So and that too see here the same concept it looking down, but here the same concept it will going up. Why? There is a gap up open. If the market is gap down open or flat open, market will go down. If gap up open, right, definitely that candle will go upside only. Means not 100%. So highest probability will be upside only. Like that, every candle reaction, it is a Maraboju, how we can consider that. If it is a spinning top, how it will be. If it is doji, how it will be. So how we can trade the market. So everything. This is a fulfillment. This we FFLC. FFLC. So I learned in another channel, right? So there they mentioned that it is a position defined. So but it is a really the concept name is that is a FFLC. fulfill last leg. This is the last leg. Okay, market will be target will be this one. First target is this, and final target is this. Okay, some people, right, they'll give that their own names, position defined, the target levels. So okay, so these things. So how this kind of pattern is formed, how we can take the trade. So if the W pattern is formed, how we can take the trade. Just now, right, I tried the previous candle, right, the previous trade, I lost it, na. That is based on this concept I have added. Within the candles, it is closed. Okay, I have added that kind of concept, but it is invoked. Sometimes market give errors. We have to go with the selling side. See this. Within the candle is closed. More than two candles are closed within the candle. The market will go reversal. If it is a gap up open, then only market will go up. Okay. Everything I have mentioned. Sometimes errors will create. This is the morning star created. How we can trade this one. So everything. Any training providing people, right, they won't tell that how we can, where we need to enter the trade and all. Okay, so they will simply mention that there is a bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. You can go with the hammer, it will go upside, but my material will give the clear picture. So when you can trade the entry. Okay, so everything, every pattern we have. So suppose market form like this. So so how we can go? Sometimes, right, some people will think that this is a dark cloud cover. Okay, in this case, how we can go and take the 100% trades? So lot of people are doing mistake. Immediately they will enter here. So that is the wrong one. Okay, that is the wrong one. So there they we need to consider that the price action and a reaction also, where this candle is formed, this formation is where it is formed, support level or resistance level. And if it is candle is closed within and lower wick is bigger than the upper wick, here there is no upper wick, sellers are in line, but here the bigger wick, so immediately we cannot enter this trade into downside trade. We need to wait for one candle, then only we need to enter. Like that, so many things I have noticed in my experience in the market. Everything I have noted here. See this concept only, I just now I tried a few minutes back. I tried, it didn't work out, it gave one error. After that I enter the MTG, it win because of I know the concept. If the candle is formed like this, so definitely market has to give the some reversal. So it is incomplete now. So I'm going to complete this by this weekend. Okay, then we'll go and take the session on this PDF. Okay, we'll try. Okay, market took the 5 minutes level and bouncing. Okay, there is a zone here. There is a zone. Okay, market took the support at that level and it is bouncing. And if you got to go with the higher time frame, right, we got to know what is happening in the market. Market is slightly in uptrend now. That is also one of another reason for market is again giving the upside trade. Where is that trend line? Trend line, trend line, trend line. Yeah. Okay. See, market completely follow the trend line. Again, market came to the strong area. We'll see how the market will react here. This is gone. We can remove it. Now this is also gone. Left side level is completely changed now. This is the overlap area. Yeah. So I got the perfect entry. So here this overlap area will become as a strong resistance. Okay, and there is, if I saw this one, there is a strong selling pressure based on the candle reaction. If you see that big red candles are formed, strong rejection happen at the same level. Last time also sellers are very strong at this level. Okay, last time also see this very strong selling. So that's why I have added here downside trade. We'll see what happen. Okay, again error, yeah. After selling, strong selling pressure at resistance level, again the green candle is formed. Weekend markets, guys, at that too OTC. If it is a real player, right, definitely it will follow the proper levels and everything. But OTC, it is completely algo trading. Okay, algo will not follow the all rules, buyer, sellers. No, here no buyer and sellers. Okay, in OTC market only gamblers. Okay, in the forex market, real pairs, right? That is real buyers and sellers. Their market will follow properly because the market moves will come based on the buyers, means buying and selling of the currency. But here, no real buying, so we are simply betting on that algo. OTC is simply betting. That's it. See that one error candle created and it is going down. This is the strong area. It has to give some rejection at this level. But OTC will give completely error candles. But in real pair, right, if you find this kind of scenario, you will get 100% sure shot in real pair. But the only problem is real pairs, right? There is a volatility. Market will give swings like this, up and downs, up and downs, up and downs. So if you are not taking the perfect entry, there is a chances of losing also in real markets. Okay, that's why. So OTC is cool, but the problem is error candles will come. Here again, I'm planning to go upside. See this gap down open. So there is a high chances for losing. We'll see. But there is a trend line, 5 minutes trend line is there. Market recently gave the very big move and strong buying happen. So it is small retracement. If you go and see the 5 minutes candle, right, it is small retracement. We cannot expect the counter candle will be bigger one. And that too, this is a 5 minutes candle, last candle. There is a chances of market looking upside, right? There is a chances of definitely it has to give some upside move. Otherwise, right, the 5 minutes candle, it is open here. Okay, if market is looking upward direction, so 5 minutes candle cannot close the bigger one. It will be small one only, it will close. See this? Now it is rising. So if you see the 5 minutes candle, this is the one. After seeing this kind of pattern at the support level, strong support level, okay, we cannot expect that big red candle. So this trade also win. See the errors without losses we cannot. It is impossible, guys. If I got 100% accuracy, so overnight I'll become Ambani. Okay, so that is not possible. So sometimes we'll get the losses. We need to accept it. So if you are getting losses, right, you cannot go with aggressive trading. Okay, so why I'm taking two trades here? Because last 2 days I'm in profit of more than 60%. 64% I'm in profit. Okay, that's why I'm taking some risk on profit amount. Otherwise, if I'm in initial capital is my $100, I cannot go with two to three trades. Initially, I'll go with $2 trades only, 2% risk, 2% risk only. I will not go and place multiple trades. If I'm in profit, I'm ready to take the risk because I'm already in profit. If I lose the three trades also, right? So I cannot lose my entire money. So only profit amount I lose it. If it is win, I'll get the big money. So like that we need to see if it is a gap downs here, gap down, gap down. If gap down, right, usually market when the gap down will create, the sellers are aggressive, then only gap down will create. After gap down created, market is not moving as per expectation because here we are expecting sellers will be strong. Okay, if market is not giving strong movement here, so it means again sellers weak. If sellers weak, where the market will go? Market will go to upside only if sellers are strong. So how this candle reaction is forming? See this again sudden down and pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. So where it will go? It will go upside only. So you have to read the market very carefully. I think I did mistake, I think, as per candle reaction. See this going down. Suddenly it is going and closed it. Okay, this kind of scenario, right? Market will go down as per the candle reaction. We'll see. But the only one thing is this is a trend line support, and here gap down, sellers become buyers again. That's why I have added trade. Okay, 5 minutes candle completely changed now. Even my PDF, right, it contains how we can consider the levels. So which one is the strong level? So everything I maintained in the PDF. How to draw support and resistance line. See, this GAN box, right, based on the previous swing move, I have added it completely 100% swing completed. Now market came to 50% level. At this level, it gave some buying move and immediately it went sellers. Arey Baba, counter attacks are created. Strong selling pressure is coming in the next candle, opposite party is coming. This is the issue with the OTC markets. Definitely, it has to go down only because it's already break the 50% and not able to sustain above that level. It has to go down. Come on. We'll see. Now it is again sustain at 50% level. We'll see. Exactly, I covered that all wicks and all. I don't know why. Okay. Better we can change the pair here. Lot of errors it is giving. If wick is there, then again I'll go upside. If wick is created, if wick created, not bigger one. Arey Baba. Yes, here we can go with continuation because of this is our fulfill FFLC, fulfill last leg. So this is a FFLC, fulfill last leg. Market will try to go. Some channels, right, they will call it as a position defined PD, position defined. So this is actually in the market terminology, they will market, right, they will call it as a FFLC, fulfill last leg. If you have knowledge, right, see, losses, it's not a matter. Okay, you can recover it. So two losses it's created, not a matter for me. So I have knowledge, so I have confidence also, I can recover that. But if you are not taking risk, you cannot become rich. That is the one thing I found it. See, even while losing I also lose the money initial days. So almost $5 to $6,000 I lose it, but I recovered it. So m- m- my mentality is completely different. I'm not looking for overnight recovery and all. I'm not tense for my losses and all. So I thought, so I can recover the losses if I have some good knowledge, but it is not possible to recover in one night. So then I started learning. After that, I tried myself. I got the winning trades more than 70%. Then I got confidence. Okay, my trades are going 70%. If I go with proper money management, I can be in the profits on daily. So like that, I have traded. So in 1 or 2 days, I mean, I invested only small amount and I got some big profits in 1 week. So I thought later I'm planning to take the risk on my knowledge. I got a little bit confidence on my knowledge and all. Okay, I took the risk. The risk gave the very big reward. So within 1 month, I recovered my losses. Now I'm loss free. So I don't need to take any risk on my capitals and all. That's why again I don't want to lose my profits. I'm already recover my 5 to 6 lakhs amount. And what I did, I started go with some bigger one with small amount. Okay, doesn't matter how many days it will go. So anyway, I have my job. I can survive with my job. But I started with small amount of 10,000 rupees investment. I'm planning to go with 50 days. If it is work out right, I will get big money. Otherwise, I will lose only 10,000 rupees. If you see here, there is a pattern is going on in the market. I will tell you what is the pattern. Where is the trend line? I missed the trade, but okay, I'll give some learning content. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, this is the pattern. Okay, this pattern also I have clearly mentioned in my, okay, in my PDF, right? Every pattern we have, market is fall and it is creating pattern. But which side market will go? If breakout, right, market will go downside only. If market will go upside, then we'll try to take the downside position because market look for downside only. Here also we can get upside trade because market has to go up. See that how simply I am taking the position because I have read complete one market, how the market is reacting. Okay, how the price is moving. I understand this market completely. Then I got to know how market is reacting in the future. Okay, now I know what is happening in the market. where is the next level and where is the next level, and how in the future level how market is planning. This is a pattern is formed. It has to go and break the downside. If it is break downside, right, we can go for sell side again. Okay, this is our target again. One second, guys. I'll come back in 1 minute. Yeah, I can come back. What happened? Breakout. No levels, nothing. Okay. So once breakout, right, market cannot continue like this. Okay. It has to give some retracement, but my entry is wrong place. Why I have added here, right? There is a big candle. Okay. If next candle is formed for red candle as per my expectation, it has to come up to 50%, up to here. So if my analysis is correct, if it is go and close near to the 50%, then my trade will win. Otherwise, my trade will lose. But market will give one retracement. It has to come down, then only it will go. If it is a breakout, again see that errors. Again wrong place entry. What is happening in 5 minutes? Oh, 5 minutes bar is very big candle, yeah. There is a chances of losing because of in one candle, right? One candle buyers are in line, so definitely buyers will take it further upside. So we'll see. Come down. No, I forget that. 5 minutes candle. We'll see what happen. Where is horizontal line? This is the fulfillment of means FFLC. Okay, I expected here reversal downside wick is there, but end of the candle is going up means sellers are entered. Here also downside wick is bigger, so here again sellers are entered. This is the FFLC. Market initially go up and fill that FFLC and it is coming down. So that is the reason I took risk. So previously I lost of 6 trades, now I placed the 5 trades. So almost I recovered. Not everything, but we cannot go with 6 trades losing 8 trades like that. So we need to go with proper money management only. Okay, so I recovered and I came back to $10 profit. Okay, so 164 something, so $10 profit is a good one. So better we can change the script. Okay, it is a GBP CAD. We'll do some analysis here. breakout, upside move, channel, and breakout. Let me check that gun box. I'm expecting one green candle here because of complete swing is completed. So I'm expecting one green candle. If it is win, so my amount going to be around 181. It will be nearly 10% of the profit. Guys, it's difficult to take the positions in live. In YouTube is default 5 seconds delay. If your network is poor, it will be more delay. Okay, so don't take any positions based on this. It's difficult, guys, if you are doing live trading, right? So it's difficult to say before 10 seconds. So if you are expecting good accuracy, right? So we need to wait until the candle last 5 seconds also we need to wait and take the decision because of that is a price action. So price reaction is can change last 10 seconds also. If I gave the trade before 10 seconds, go up, go down, right? So sometimes last 10 seconds buyer sellers are change, then automatically our view will change. So if I'm looking for upside, the sudden 5 seconds, right, market sudden fall came, sellers are aggressive, then market will go down. So in that case, completely my signal will be wrong. So that's why if I say sell side, if I'm going buy side, it is not correct. If I say buy, if I go sell side based on the last 10 seconds, so it is not correct. So that's why I'm not providing anything. Here, one small red candle will come. If it is a small red candle, then again I'm planning to go upside trade. So we have to take it the account right very slowly. See that? I started with 164, 10% already win. So we have to take it very slowly. See, this is my journey plan. Every day I'm showing my journey plan. So $100 I started. First day it's a matter of 40%. Yesterday it was from losses in the live session. After that I recovered and profit of 23 dollars. It is nearly 15%. And today again already in $16 profit. So actually I have to go with 15% daily $15 like that, but I am going with some little bit hurry. So I'm expecting by end of this month, 1 month, right? It will be 6,000, or at least if it is reached to 2,000, it is also good. $100 become 2 lakhs is also good. So, but I can take it very aggressively once it reach to 1,000. Okay, this is what my target first. So $100 become 1,000, then you are in profit of $900 profit. In the $900 profit, right? If you go and take the risk of $40 per trade, $50 per trade, right? You're not losing your capital. So in that case, our money will go very fast. So here expecting, right? If you go with the $50 trades or $40 trades based on my profit risk, this target is very easy. 15% target is very easy. Okay, if you put invested $10,000, sorry, $1,000 and try to go with $50 per each trade, right? That is a risky because of you are investing 5%, you are taking the risk of 5% on your capital. But here I am taking risk of 5% on my profit, not capital. So this kind of mindset also we need. See this, I told you one red candle. So after that market is looking upward direction. If this is also closed red, right, then it will be very good. I can go with the next candle. Upside trade. What is going on in the 5 minutes? We need to check it. Okay. Okay, okay, one candle down. Okay, fine. So next candle, right, we can try to go downside. Sorry, upside trade. Next candle, I'm looking for upside trade. $4 I took the risk, right? So $4 I took the risk on top of my profit only, not the capital. Okay, if I invested $100, first day I cannot go with 4% risk. It's a very high, so I cannot go with 4% risk. I'm already in 70% profit. So that 70% profit only I'm taking risk of $4. $70, right? It is a matter of 5%. 5% risk on my profit amount. See, market is looking for upward here. See this, there is a big wick created. Buyers are take it up and sellers down. If sellers are strong, right, why this candle is coming for green again? So there is a trap, error candle. Error candles are creating in the market. What is going on in the 5 minutes? So we no need to take the tension and all if losing the trade. Okay, if you have knowledge, definitely we can recover. Okay, okay, got it. Market see that channel down and upward. In 5 minutes candle, there is a pattern is following. That's why market is coming down. So breakout. So 5 minutes, I already just now I show that 5 minutes what is going on in the market. Okay, there is a channel pattern. If you see here, market falling and channel, and once the channel breakout, what where it will go? It will go downside only. That is a pattern. Okay, that's why I took the risk. I took the risk of recover my previous trades. 6 seconds. OTC market, guys. Until last second, we cannot believe the market. 6 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Win. Okay, win. So it is 181. Again, back to our profits. $16 something. So if you have knowledge, two losses or three losses is not a matter. If I got margin entry here, again I'll try to go up downside only. We'll see. But this level is not confident for me. That's why I took only risk of $2, not much. Okay. Because the only one reason why I didn't take that more than one trade here, there is a big wick compared to the body. Okay. But breakout, the selling pressure will be high. That's why I took only one trade risk only, not much. If I'm confident, then only I'm taking the multiple trades. If I am not confident, right, so I'll not go for the risk. A risk can take based on your confidence levels. If you have strong confidence on the trade, okay, definitely we can go and win this trade means then you can try to push the money. Okay, this kind of zigzag market is not good for trading OTC markets. So leave this one. This is also not good. First, we need to identify some trendy markets, guys. Trendy markets only it's good. GBP CAD also it is now 79%. We'll add recent pairs, means high percentage pairs, and we'll remove the old ones. This is the repeating process. Okay. Okay. After that, what we need to do? We need to identify that which market is good. This is also not good. What happened? Coming down and a channel breakout and coming back to the levels. There is a W pattern here. This is one kind of level. Okay. What is going on in the 5 minutes? 5 minutes going in the channel pattern. So everything will be technical analysis, guys. So without technical analysis, you cannot trade. Okay. If you're down, cover the wick and make it upside. Yeah. So downside, right? Two levels I touched. So in that case, where the market is looking up to this level. So it complete. Sorry. It completed that last FFLC. This is the last FFLC. Okay, it completed the swing. FFLC is completed, means liquidity is sweep, but this liquidity is still pending. This is completed, but still this is pending. How the market will react at this level? According to that, we can try for trade. See here at this level, right? Market, if rejection happen, then it will give one or two candles downwards. If it is not showing any rejection, right? Again, market will try to take the further upside. Here I am not seeing that any big selling here. If it is closed red, that will be very good for next candle trade. We need to wait. We need to wait. If it is a red candle red, we can go for sure shot trade here. Otherwise, there is a chances of coming red candle also here. So this is a not confirmed stage. So if no confirmation, no trade. I need red candle to go further upside trade. Otherwise, this candle will create the red candle. Already came for previous level and sellers are adding. We'll see what happen. But my entry is little bit downside due to the volatility. But I'm expecting red candle here based on my analysis. I simply stick with my analysis guide. Doesn't matter what is the result next. Okay. I simply stick with my analysis. Okay. It has to go and touch my trend line levels. And it this fails. Next trade I will again add downside only because it's already touches my levels. We'll see. I took the risk on my profit only, guys, here. So I started day with 164. So I'm into 180. So I expected in the one red candle in the previous levels, but it touches my channel, okay, and gave the false breakout. So it will be sure shot confirmation at this level. If it is sure shot, we can ready to take the risk. No confirmation, only less risk. See that red candle becomes green. The script is not following. Yeah, percentage also very less. Percentage less means there is a high chances of creating the errors. We'll try in other script. 6 trades only, no problem. Okay. Array, shit, man. See that due to the volatility, my trade plays at bottom. But if I entered at opening, right, I placed at opening only due to the volatility it placed here within fraction of seconds. Okay, I cannot take more trades in marginal level. I already entered 3 trades. So if you, that's why I'm recommending, right, go with the first one trade if you are planning multiple trades. Okay, if any margin came, then try for the remaining trades. But most of the things, right, I will try to enter at opening only. So next candle also we can go for downside because of this is the level. It has to fulfill this level. But here we need to wait and give margin, proper margin entry, or green candle created. Next green red next will go for downside trade. The only one reason why I didn't add it, right, so upside is very small wick and downside little bit bigger wick. So that is the only one reason I didn't get strong confirmation here. So I have added downside. I have added downside trade because of last second movement only. I found that one. It is a sudden jump. Okay, that sudden jumps I cannot move based on the candle reaction. That's why I have added downside trade, but it went wrong. There is a very big candle created. Okay, guys, after this trade, so I need to close the live session. So I have some outside work. So I need to go. So if it is loss, right, we are in loss of only $2, not much. Okay, guys, I'm closing. Thanks for joining.